What's up, YouTube? We're excited to welcome you all back to another episode of motivational videos. Today, I want to talk to you about the millionaire mindset. Now, I'm not here to give you some get-rich-quick scheme or promise you overnight success. No, the millionaire mindset is about more than just accumulating wealth. It's about changing the way you think, act, and approach life. You see, millionaires aren't just people with a lot of money in the bank. They are individuals who have developed a particular way of thinking that has allowed them to achieve their financial goals. And the good news is that anyone can cultivate this mindset with the right mindset shift and a commitment to hard work and discipline. First and foremost, the millionaire mindset is built on the belief that wealth is achievable. It all starts with believing in your ability to create financial abundance. Many people live with limiting beliefs like money is the root of all evil or I'm not good with money. These beliefs hold them back from taking the necessary steps to build wealth. But millionaires understand that money is a tool, a resource that can be used to create a better life for themselves and others. They believe in their ability to learn and grow, and they're not afraid to take calculated risks. Another key aspect of the millionaire mindset is the importance of setting clear financial goals. Millionaires don't just drift through life hoping to get rich, they have a vision and a plan. They set specific, measurable, and achievable goals for themselves. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably, they know what they want, and they have a roadmap to get there. But it's not enough to have goals, you also need discipline and determination to achieve them. Millionaires understand that success doesn't happen overnight. They are willing to put in the time and effort required to reach their objectives. They have a strong work ethic and are not afraid of hard work. They also know that setbacks and failures are a part of the journey, but they don't let these obstacles deter them. Instead, they see them as opportunities to learn and grow. One of the most powerful aspects of the millionaire mindset is the ability to manage money wisely. Millionaires are experts at budgeting, saving, and investing. They understand the importance of living within their means and not succumbing to the pressure of keeping up with the Joneses. They prioritize financial security over instant gratification, and they are not swayed by impulsive spending. Investing is a cornerstone of the millionaire mindset. Millionaires know that simply saving money in a bank account won't make them wealthy. They invest in assets that have the potential to grow in value over time, such as stocks, real estate, and businesses. They diversify their investments to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. They also understand the power of compound interest and the importance of long-term thinking when it comes to building wealth. Another critical aspect of the millionaire mindset is the ability to think strategically. Millionaires are forward thinkers who anticipate future trends and opportunities. They are not content with the status quo. They are always looking for ways to improve and innovate. They are not afraid to pivot or change course when necessary to stay on the path to success. But the millionaire mindset is not just about accumulating wealth for its own sake. Millionaires often have a strong sense of purpose and a desire to make a positive impact on the world. They see wealth as a means to an end, a tool that allows them to support causes they care about, help others in need, and leave a legacy that goes beyond money. Now, I want to be clear that the millionaire mindset is not about being greedy or selfish. It's about recognizing your own potential and taking control of your financial future. It's about being responsible with your resources and using them to create a life of abundance and fulfillment. So, How can you cultivate the millionaire mindset? It starts with a shift in your thinking. Begin by challenging your limiting beliefs about money and success. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations that reinforce your belief in your ability to achieve financial abundance. Next, set clear financial goals for yourself. Write them down, create a plan, and track your progress. Break your goals into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate your achievements along the way. Develop discipline and a strong work ethic. Understand that success takes time and effort, and be willing to put in the work required. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. See them as opportunities to learn and grow. Learn to manage your money wisely. Create a budget, save consistently, and invest strategically. Educate yourself about different investment opportunities and take calculated risks. Think strategically and be open to change. Anticipate future trends and be willing to adapt your strategies to stay on the path to success. Finally, remember that the millionaire mindset is not just about accumulating wealth, it's about using your resources to make a positive impact on the world. Find a sense of purpose and a cause that resonates with you, and use your wealth to support it. In conclusion, the millionaire mindset is not something reserved for the lucky few. It's a mindset that anyone can cultivate with the right attitude and actions. Believe in your ability to create financial abundance, set clear goals, work hard, manage your money wisely, think strategically, and use your wealth to make a positive impact. With the millionaire mindset, you can create a life of abundance, fulfillment, and purpose.